right? So all these one-ups, let's talk about what we're talking about today. So obviously, Ashley, it tells me either you didn't know what this says on the contract, or you are working with people that you need to educate on this, because it should be, this is very clear. Is this very clear?
Yeah, that's clear.
Very clear. And a lawyer, if you show this 3A to, they'll be able to say, oh, okay, yeah, it does say that. So you should be interviewing maybe, Ashley, 2 or 3 different title companies on where you're going to send your deals to. And you should be calling them. You're running a business. They work for you. I don't care if they have a law degree or not. Trust me, when I walk into a law firm, I say, hey, man, I need to talk to you before we start doing business. I'd like to see some business, but I need to have a lunch meeting with you that you're going to pay for, and we need to talk about it. And I'm like, all right, here's the contract. Here's how we do business. Are you good with that? Okay. Are all your people good with it? Because when he brings this up in your closing, this is something that catches you out of nowhere, or maybe prior to the closing, and now you lost $1,300 that you shouldn't be losing, right? Was it a VA deal or FHA deal?
Excuse me, FHA.
Yeah, no way on earth. Okay, no way on earth. Because okay, so just look at y'all contracts. I'm sure Simone should probably post one of y'all Florida contracts in here and be able to see something like this as well. All right. All right, so know that is in the contract. That's all I want you guys to understand, that the state of Georgia lawyers, and I promise you these contracts are very similar across all 50 states. If you look, Google your, I mean, not Google, but search your contract where it talks about closing costs. All right, cool. All right, so now you guys know that your buyer can do whatever they want to do with their money. So now what do? We submit the offer, right? We submit the offer. And everything that we want, we put in special stipulations, right? We put in special stipulations. But this is our standard special stipulations. It's already on every contract. If you're on my team, you don't have to figure out what to put in here. But we have our special stipulations. And so let's talk about the scenario. What is the average commission? I'll just tell you guys on the sake of time, because it's time starting to get away from us. The average commission for real estate agents across the country is 2%. It's 2%. But most real estate agents think they are entitled to 3%. But that's not what most real estate agents get. My real estate team in Georgia, we're the highest grossing commission team of all teams in Georgia. We average 4%. There's a reason for that. The only difference between my team personally and any other team across the state of Georgia is we ask for it. We're letting people know upfront what our fee is. And I'm teaching our agents how to get their fee, so that we can obviously get paid on our buyer brokerage agreement. Whatever's negotiated up front, you don't have problems when you get to this point, because we all know that this point comes days or weeks later when it's time to write a contract. There should be no questions about everything that we do. We like to do be above board, explain it correctly, and just let people know. Remember, if you go to an attorney, you guys have your own attorneys. My attorney charges $300 an hour. Your attorney might charge $500 an hour. Different people charge different rates. You can do business with whatever real estate agents you want, but we're letting you know this is how we do business, right? And so we know why we charge more money, because we do more for clients than most real estate agents will do. So we charge more, and we have more causes that we have to support outside of real estate.